Have you ever wondered why some potato chips taste so ordinary, while some keep people coming back for more? In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make crispy, tasty, and marketable potato chips that are perfect for home use and for business. If you've been looking for a profitable snack business to start with little capital, this is one of the best options for you. I'll be showing you everything from proper slicing, soaking, frying, and the special method that helps improve taste and gives that satisfying crunch people love. Whether you're making for family, for sale, or planning to become a supplier, this tutorial will help you get better results. So make sure you watch till the end because one small mistake can ruin the crispiness of your chips. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm showing you how to make use of this slicer to slice your potatoes. Just like I had already showed you, that blade you see on that slicer is where you'll be using to slice your potatoes. So because the potato is quite big, bigger than that blade size, that was why I cut the potatoes. And one thing about this is that you can get this equipment in the market very cheap, maybe 300 naira or so. So you get your potatoes, place it flat and push it through the blade on that slicer, and that is how you cut your potatoes or you slice your potatoes. But be very mindful of your hands so that you don't get injured. Yes, potatoes contain starch, and that's completely normal. They are naturally starchy fruits, just like yam, but generally not as heavy as white yam. That whitish water you see after washing is part of the surface starch coming off. So that's why I recommend washing the sliced potatoes at least twice and even soaking them for about 30 minutes before frying. This helps remove excess surface starch, give you cleaner slices, and can also help improve the final texture of your chips. So don't see starch as something bad. It simply means the potato is a carbohydrate source that gives energy. The goal is just proper preparation for the best crunchy and tasty results. I'll be supporting the edges of the parchment paper with some tools so that they don't scatter when I'm drying the potatoes on them. Please take note of the following tips while frying your potatoes. As the potatoes begins to fry, make sure you turn them at intervals so they cook evenly on all sides. This helps prevent some parts from getting too brown while others are still undercooked. At the early stage of frying, you will notice that the potato slices may feel soft and fragile in the oil. At this point, be very gentle while flipping them so you don't break or distort their shape. You still need to turn them so every side fries properly, but it has to be done carefully. Also, pay close attention to the color. Your potatoes should be golden brown, not too dark brown. Potatoes continue to brown slightly even after you remove them from the oil. So if you wait until they are too dark in the oil, they may end up over browned outside. Personally, I prefer mine slightly brown because once they come out, they dip in a little more in color. Some people prefer theirs more yellow golden, and that works too. You may also notice that I'm frying in the evening, and because of the lightning, the true color of the potatoes may not show very clearly on camera. Evening lights can make it harder to judge the exact browning stage, which is why frying during the afternoon is often better if you want a clearer view and better color control. And just like that, our potato chips are ready. Once they come out of the oil, transfer them into a bowl or tray and allow them to cook properly. This helps them become even crispier as they settle. Because I was frying in the evening, controlling the exact browning stage was a little difficult due to the lighting. So you may notice that some pieces are slightly darker than others. That's one of the reasons I always recommend frying during the daytime, when natural light helps you monitor the color better. Now at this stage, seasoning begins. I start with a little salt, just enough to bring out the natural flavor of the chips. This part is important to me because it sets the base taste. Although some people don't like salt, some people don't even put salt in their potatoes, but I like it like that. Then comes my special touch. I had a small hint of ginger, just enough to gently enhance the aroma and give the chips that unique flavor note that people always notice but can't quite place. Give everything a gentle toss so every chip is evenly coated. And that's it. Crispy, crunchy, flavorful homemade potato chips. Listen to that crunch. This is exactly what we are looking for. Perfect texture, well balanced seasoning, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical kitchen and food business tips. And if you think you can identify the special flavor notes, drop your guess in the comments. I'd love to see if you get it right. See you in my next video.